Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out the road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
What's up? Welcome, Life is a Mission family. Welcome to a beautiful night, you know. Yeah man, one of my favorite little spot when we sit down and hang out. Yeah, and intro a video, you know. Me there man, me there. As we are seeing, as you all see, I find out this spot in about 2 videos. You're looking at the Red Hills. Not the Red Hills, the Mellowbrook Hill. Yes man, adjoining to Red Hills. But in front of me, that you're looking directly, I'm using the camera where I can zoom the phone, I can't zoom. Yeah. But in front of me, direct, that is the Mellowbrook part of the hill. And if I go like that, that is the Red Hills part of the hill. Anyway, people, I just have to intro the little video, a short little video. It's like, you know, a little drama video. You know, because the channel is all about every little thing, you know. And remember now, the channel is still searching for an audience. So you have to put every little thing out there to see what audience you can get to gravitate to the channel, what the audience might like, you know, and stuff like that. So I have a little channel, a little clippings of some things to show you. They're very short, you know, where I won't tell you much about it. A surprise looking breadfruit, and then listen what the man say in watching the video. Then watch this man trying strip a chicken. Yes, strip a chicken. Have him under the pipe and wash him, and then look what happened. And there's another video there that I want to also show you people. But it's just a little laughter, a video for a little laugh, you know. So you just stay tuned, you know what to do. Life is a Mission TV. It's just all about, you know, entertainment, fun, cooking and stuff like that. So just like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And just please to watch the ads and continue to support the channel, please. You know, for the past week, yes, I like the support, but I don't want it to stop here. Especially for you people who, you know, is member of the main channel. I just want you to continue to share, you know, this channel, and just share the channel, but also caption it with who you share it, whether in your WhatsApp or whatsoever, you know, and ask them please, and just ask them please to, you know, subscribe to this channel. Don't just share it and like you just want them watch it, or you just share something with them. Just let them know, say yes, you ask them to subscribe. Alright people, I want to know Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Give her a subscription, and please remember the cash app is $ Charms and Trends. Alright, so stay tuned. Just a little laughter, nothing, you know, much, you know, but just listen the video, especially the one with the breadfruit, and then we want to just watch the one with the man and wash the chicken, what happened. Alright, bless up.
Show someone just how much they mean to you. Our bracelet stacks add that perfect oomph to any outfit, and our custom tumblers are the perfect way to show love to the people you cherish. Choose your color, your style, add your personal touch, like the day you first met, or the first song you danced to together with your boo. Be as corny as you want, unapologetically. Every day is the perfect day to spread love. Order your personalized gifts today by visiting www.charmedandtrends.shop. We promise you'll love your gift of a lifetime. Scout's honor.
From when we've been reporting this incident to JPS and they wouldn't turn up. Now this is what happened.
Place in a farm district, Westmoreland. You understand? Every night, them wire here. See it there? A big old accident happened just now. See? Me catch this here on the phone right now. Wire cause this. A big old accident, the man a swing from the fire, and a big old accident happen right now. Me blood clot. Me catch this here on the phone. Me catch this on the phone. JPS, you no need to see this. Every night they say, watch out. Every night the fire them catch a, the wire them catch a fire. You no see it? How drive the car? How?
Yes, my people, see it there. Food I fi eat, you know. So it stay. One whole a car upon a cart. You understand? Yamba. One whole a car upon a cart. Yeah, man. And the first one you see me show that. I show it more than one time. And I see him, brother. I feel him look work that. I saw him also. You understand? And I want to tell you, say, he's a man, he's a single father. When you say single father, you don't know like how that's a single mother, because most time, you know, when you make it look as if it's only mothers or single mothers, you know, it's just woman alone, father on left picnic pan. You have mother where just run down left the picnic up on the father. So same like how them would have claimed that the father is a sperm donor. Me have it said no for the woman them is just a carrier. When them carry the picnic, that's it. Them disappear and gone. So that's another one. So you know, we are adding this as part of the drama video. Because I have a little drama video making up. So this is going to be the first part of it. Because you can't consider as a drama if you see one little cat. Who would have to know say a little cat to make up with 2 pieces of board and 2 pieces of nail could have becomes a record. Because basically the cat or the record carry one whole car. Yes man. So stay tuned for the little drama video there. Just a little laughter, you know. So you pile them up and 2 more him carry them there. So anytime him feel like him broke and him need a whole car instead of some piece, him just come take up one. Because sometimes him carry the piece metal them go sell in at the metal factory, you know, where them buy all iron. Yeah man.
Difficult era. Same place, huh? Difficult place and place, huh? See them? Here, Gully. Then you have encounter with right through. See? Road and Gully that one. See? Here, Gully. Round the side race. Road and Gully. Gully. Dangerous place for the evening. And she won't watch out. Here, Gully, brother. See you go there? Round the way I go. See that? Go round the truck, brother. Go round the truck. Tell them where Gully is, man. And because more time me I drive, you have a sense of video man for video the place. You see me? Watch out. Me a go there. Me a go there, brother. The truck are flying, and then the truck they are flying. Yeah man, okay. And the truck are flying, and then the truck they are flying, right through. Down there, there. Yeah, be careful, right through. Come on, lip and break your fuck. Let's drive the truck, man. And look at that bad still. Yeah. I come to us, my old 14 to that, go there. Yeah. Yeah, man. Touch your hand, youth. Road the hand. See the road narrow? Yeah, them place I have encounter with right through. Narrow road. Watch it, look up there. See the car?
Time I fling off of this breadfruit here so long and it finally come out. Watch out, me not eat this blood clot, you know. Me don't look up on them white sitting there all there, so. No, sir. See, man, that man the lick you off it. Yeah, man. Yeah, me saying to lick off it, popcorn, that's a wife for that. Yeah, man.